Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iCloud backup failed error on iPhone iOS 14. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Tip number 1. Change storage plan. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap on Apple ID. Tap iCloud. Tap Manage Storage. Tap Change Storage Plan. Select anyone, 50 GB, 200 GB, 2 TB. Tap Buy. Tip number 2. Remove the older backup iCloud files. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap Apple ID. Tap iCloud. Tap Manage Storage. All the backup files. Tap Photos. Tap Display and delete. Again delete photo and videos. Thanks for watching this video.